Hey guys, coming at you here. Blazer's broken again. You know how it is. Bearing sees up on her. Yeah, except that all. What could it be, guys? What could it be? Let's crack her open. Got my little Gerber knife here. Cutting this box out. Oh. Wonder what it could be. You know, someone's always sending me stuff. Oh, big old thank you. Oh, you guys can't see it. An upside down thank you. Very nice of the folks at Summit to send me that. Some paperwork, mumbo jumbo, no big deal. Put that on the ground. Packing foam. Oh, wheel bearings. Always nice to have some wheel bearings around. Lug nuts. Always nice to have some lug nuts. These are for the Silverado. The ones I keep, they keep rusting on the Silverado, so I have to get some more. Oh boy. What's this? Some fuel line? That's not it. Wheel seals? No. Some more lug nuts. That's not it. Another wheel bearing, guys. No, not it. Oh wait. What are these? Warren hubs. Oh, you know what? I bet these are the new Warren hubs everyone has been talking about that are new if you're from 78 and they just got born. These are the ones people are talking about. Let's do an unboxing of these guys. See what they're all about. I got an old one, and I'll show you what the new ones look compared to it. Alright? Alright guys, as fun and exciting as unboxing videos are, we're going to be unboxing these guys. I got them from Summit. They're about $100. Nice little sleeve you get. You're going to immediately throw away. And the garbage. Alright. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new Warren hub. Look at how shiny and nice and all that is. Warren. All nice and new and shiny. Alright, and you got the other guy right here. Comes with two. About $100, like I said. Here's the gear. Slides into your shaft right there. This isn't going to be on how they work or anything. I just wanted to do an unboxing video on them because nobody else has. And I just wanted to do one, show you what all they come with. Comes with this little C-clip right there. Goes on. Packet of nuts with another. I guess that one wasn't a C-clip, it was just a clip. This is a C-clip in here with the bolts that you need. Another bag for the other one. And then the other gear for them. But that's all fine and dandy, but did they really change them over the years with how they look? Well, I happen to have one right here. An old one. New one. So yeah, I would say they changed a little bit. Here's the old one right there. This guy is a 91 from what I can tell. It was made in 91. And yeah, they changed how they looked. Brand new one. Old one. You can tell that the new one looks like it was mass produced more than this one. This one looks like they took a little more time. It feels heavier. It just has more oomph to it. So there you go. Yeah, there's definitely a difference there. Alright, if you guys like this video, if you made it this far, you're like most of YouTube that hasn't, hit that like button and subscribe. Woo!